Lisa, how is fire danger looking across our state?
Yeah, it's going to be pretty high this next few days, especially out on the western slope where the winds are going to start to pick up. It'll get a little bit gustier and it's warm. Temperatures will be well into the 90s near Grand Junction, Montrose, Craig. So I'll show you where we're looking at some fire weather warnings. Here in town, pretty toasty. We aren't under a red flag warning here, but you can see over the western slope, it covers quite a few counties and then spreads west into Utah. Here in town, we are though under an air quality warning for those ground level ozone levels. And you're going to find, unfortunately, it covers the entire northern front range, so a little bit hazy for us here in town today. Here's a look at your headlines though. Fewer storms expected today compared to yesterday. We will still see a few of these turn a little severe, but likely that's going to be east of I-25 and likely east of the airport as well. Warmer and drier weather expected this weekend. It's really going to start to get pretty toasty. Right now, 60s, low to mid 60s. We've got Denver at 63, 60 in Arvada, upper 60s down to the south, right around the Chatfield Reservoir at almost 70 degrees this morning. You're in the 50s and 60s near Bailey and Conifer and there along 285. Again, that risk of severe weather, a marginal risk covering the eastern plains. So fewer storms expected to get to that severe level with the larger hail and damaging winds like we saw yesterday. Mid to upper 50s in some spots this morning, but mainly 60s as you're stepping out the door. Under a little mix of sun and clouds, and by about 10:30 we'll be at right around 80 degrees. It's going to be warm through early morning. Highs again today will be, it looks like in the low 90s. You'll notice though, again, a few of those isolated storms popping up. It's going to continue through late afternoon, early evening, but mainly well off to the east of Denver, east of Byers, closer to Lyman and Burlington, where we'll see some darker skies as we get a little closer to sunset. By tonight, beautiful, upper 70s to near 80 by about 9 o'clock, and then quiet early tomorrow morning. It's going to get pretty hot and dry, though, heading into the weekend. Tomorrow afternoon, low to mid 90s, mostly sunny skies, hot, dry weather expected Saturday and Sunday. So you've got some pretty good pool weather, or if you just want to turn on the hose and soak the kids this weekend, mostly sunny and warm. In fact, both Saturday and Sunday, two of the warmest days on our 7-day forecast with mid to upper 90s. A better chance for potentially a little bit of rain and a few more thunderstorms by the first of next week.